Genesis 11, there's a story of how different languages came into being. It shows the power of talking. The whole world had one language and a common speech. In direct opposition to God's command to scatter and populate the whole earth, these people decided to build a city with a tower that would reach to the heavens so they could make a name for themselves and not be scattered over the whole earth. God knew that the organization working on the Tower of Babel had the three necessary ingredients for success: team unity, commitment, and communication. When any of these ingredients is missing, the project will not fly. In Genesis 11, verses 6 and 7, and the Lord said, "Behold, they are one people, and they have all one language, and this is only the beginning of what they will do, and nothing that they propose to do will now be impossible for them. Come, let us go down, and there confuse their language, so they may not understand one another's speech." And sure enough, once their communication broke down due to people not comprehending the different languages they were using, their commitment to the project and team unity were destroyed, and the entire project failed. Obviously, the process of communication, which involves dialogue and listening and ensuring you are being properly understood, is the lifeblood of any relationship, of any marriage, of any family, any organization, any business, of any church.